Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to pay property tax in Jharkhand. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com as well as the page Jharkhand how to pay property tax.
If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to us, which would help us create more videos.
In this page we have given detailed procedure along with information and instructions for an user to pay property tax. And you can see few links for external websites and forms which are more useful in completing the procedure. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation. Also, you can select the language of your choice from the drop down menu which is available in the select language tab, which is provided on the top corner of our page, to understand this procedure easily. List of items covered in this session today: need to pay property tax, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources and other information. Today this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need to pay property tax. Yes, property tax or house tax is a local tax imposed on the owner of the property by the respective local governing authorities from the municipal or the ward office as per the amendments for the assessment period. Vacant land is generally exempt. Central government properties are exempt. Instead, the service charge is collected. Properties of foreign missions are also exempted from property tax. Tax exemption is applicable for selected citizen as well as organizations like educational institution, charitable institutions, ex-servicemen, in-servicemen, retired pensioners association, NGO homes, teachers association building. As applicable, the taxes are exempted. Property tax clearance is required for other services like water connection, sanitary connection and electricity connections from the government. Documents required: you will require the following details. One is 15-digit holding number unique for the said property, old property ID through the old property tax paid receipt, either of this, owner's name, address of the property and Aadhaar card are the details required for completing this procedure. Let us see how to pay. First, in Jharkhand, property tax is calculated by the municipal corporation, which is regulated under the Urban Development and Housing Department of Jharkhand from the respective property owners. When a property is purchased and registered, it automatically gets updated in the server which the municipal council has access. An intimation to the owner through SMS on his mobile number to collect a 15-digit unique holding number which is generated will be sent. Property tax can be paid both online as well as offline method. If you fail to pay the tax within the specified time limit, the assessing authority may impose a penalty which will be equal to 5 times of the property tax which is imposed. Anyone undervaluing the property would be penalized. Tax can be paid in installments 1, 2, 3 and 4 depending on the volume. If the tax is under 10,000, it needs to be paid in one installment. Let us see how to pay in person. As a first step, one has to get the assessment for the property tax to be paid. If he has not received the assessment from the respective authority or from the office, then he has to go directly to the office and get the assessment done with the details like property ID or address or the other relevant details. The link provided in our page under this column will help you to get the contact information and the self assessment form. So the first one is self assessment link, which will give you access to access the property tax. So use the self assessment tab and do the assessment on your own through online. If you want to do it on your own, then you have to use the links provided here. One is the contact link which will take you to the contact page of the Jan Suvidha Kendra, and link for ward office, that is Ranchi ward contact details are given. So once you reach these contact details, you can call them over the phone and find the exact location so that you can go directly and get the assessment. Taxpayers can call the tax collectors for any query at the toll number or at the number provided here. there are 200 collectors from Sparrow Softech will visit every household to access the property. You can reach them and get it done. So the government has provided so much facility in assessing the property. So you can after you access the property tax with the mentioned options, you can go to the municipal council in order to pay property tax in person. So please use the holding number for the respective property and go to the respective counter. They will verify the details which you submitted, and again they will clarify the property tax which is accessed to you, assessment given to you, and from their end is correct. If they are okay, they will ask you to pay. So make the payment at the counter so that you can get the receipt for the payment made. So link for municipal contacts and other collectors contact are given in our page 2, which we can see. This is the we have seen the municipal contact links. Again I'll show you, and this is the link for municipal contact, and this is for the tax collectors. So both these links are available in our page, so use them and get the tax collectors. Know your tax collector is the option to get the tax collector information. So select the appropriate option and go down. You will get the tax collector for your area so that you can get the assessment. So in order to pay online, as I said, you will get the receipt for the payment you make in the offline procedure. In order to pay online, in Jharkhand, the one has to visit the online portal using the link provided here. Don't worry, we have provided this link in our online portal. So go to the online portal, online session, and please follow the link. So use this link and go to the respective page of Jharkhand, and here under property or holding tax, pay property tax is the option you have to select. So click on pay property tax. You can see clearly, hit on that. You will be taken to the next window where you have to select the respective ULB. Any ULB you select and hit go now. You will be taken to the next window where the respective municipality municipal corporations window opens. So go there and hit the pay property tax. You will reach the page for entering the details, old ward number or new ward number, then holding number or 15-digit unique house number has to be filled in, and hit search. Upon hitting search, you will be taken to the next window where you will get the information about the property and the property tax. So please hit pay property tax at the bottom of the screen, and in the next page please click I agree for the agree phrase. Click box will be there, select that and hit pay property tax online tab to get the payment gateway page. Payment gateway page is to select the payment mode, whether it is debit card, through credit card or through net banking. Once you select the appropriate payment gateway option, you will get a new page to enter and fill the details as appropriate to make the payment. Once everything is completed, once the online payment is made, you will get an acknowledgement for the transaction you have just done. Keep it safe to show that you have paid the property tax through online for the assessment period. And throughout Jharkhand, you can use the online portal to pay the property tax for the different places. So this is the page, and after that, eligibility, you should be an Indian citizen and get at the age of 18 plus to make yourself eligible to pay property tax. Should own a land or property in your name. Validity, the property tax is paid will be valid for 1 year. Every year you should renew it. In certain places the tax will be collected for 6 months too. In India, fees, the property tax amount is calculated based on the residential area, so it varies with the property to property and place to place. Property tax for a building is calculated based on basement area, the rate prevalent in the street where the property is located, usage of the building, whether it is residential or commercial, type of occupancy, owner occupant or tenant is is occupying the place, the total span of the building existence, meaning how many years it is there. All these factors consider the property tax payment amount. Processing time, payment of tax will be completed as and when it is paid, so it is instant. Officers and contact, Director of Municipal Administration, Jharkhand, HEC Admin Ranchi, Jharkhand, India. Phone, email ID are provided here for your verification of any details and any other doubts. And these two contact links provided in our page at the office location and contact section will give you information related to offices for this need, so that you can call them or go there directly to clarify your doubts for this purpose. So this information provided here will be helpful in getting the contact in getting the clarifications from the contact people. So use them. So contact these numbers to find out the local office and go there to clarify your doubts if you have so. Online resources, all these links provided here will give direct access to these sites which we use so far to complete this procedure. So understanding the importance of these websites, we have provided them as links at appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information, all residential and commercial properties are assessed for tax. The information about all the new construction, existing construction, meaning if you own a land and have a building of 1000 square feet and you are extending another 200 square feet, this information should be informed to the assessing department for assessment for the next term. Note, there will be a strict action against the defaulters. It is advisable to pay the tax on time to avoid such situations. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and hit subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to pay property tax in Jharkhand.